guys, what is up? What if you could generate royalty-free background music just by typing a sentence, completely offline, no subscriptions, no API key? That's exactly what we're building today. So as you see, I've built a 5-second lo-fi music. Uh, so first we create an isolated Python environment so nothing pollutes your system. It will just require some Python script, not even 30 lines of the code, and you'll be good to go. So as you see, we are in our local environment. Let me create an environment for you. After that, what we're gonna do is we're gonna do 3 scripts. Well, first would be a setup script, then will be an app script, and then will be a local asset script which will run it on a local host. Okay, so I'll show you what is the setup script. It's just 5 to 6 lines of code which imports torch, transformers, radio, and then just completes the setup. And then this is the app script. It's a Python script and it just does the heavy work. Whatever we installed, it just puts them to work. So I've already done it, so let's see. I first did the setup.sh, as you see here, and then I did the app.sh, and now it's running on the local. So once I open the local, it gives me this UI surface and I can do anything I want and play with the prompt, and let me know how it works out for you. Like, share and subscribe.